Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I have an outfit that I made I'd like to show you that I did in a collab. For me, collabs are wonderful. If you get the opportunity to join in on a collab, I highly recommend it. It's fun, it's good for your channel, but most of all, you get to know other YouTubers better. And to me, the friendships that I have acquired, is that the right word? Nurtured through the collabs, made, yeah, you know, I have true friends, people that I email with, etc., that I met because of collabs on YouTube. That said, I started doing something that for me is very fun, and I'm hoping that others will join in. Darren has funded my fun, and when I see clothes patterns for dolls on sale, I buy extra, and then I've been mailing those to people as a happy mail to join in on a collab to all make the same outfit and then show it on a video. And it is so fun to see how everyone that takes this same pattern will do different things with it and use different fabrics, and they put it on a different doll. And although, you know, we're putting it on 18-inch dolls, they all look different. So each outfit is worth going to the next channel to see what they did. I have mailed patterns out. First, let me say, I had people ask for the pattern, but when I asked them for their address, I never heard back from them. So if you'd like to participate and you leave a comment that you'd like to participate, if I contact you and ask for your address, I need you to email me and get that to me so I can get this out as quick as possible. The first people that send me their addresses are the people that the pattern goes out to. You can do a lot with these patterns, and one of the things I want to point out that I do, yes, I am going to tell you who's in on it. Oh, I did not put, yes I did. I take my patterns over to the window and I put them up in the sunshine on the glass, and then I take a piece of copy paper, hold it over, and I draw around the patterns. And the reason I do that is, well, threefold really. The paper that the patterns are made out of is thinner than tissue. It's actually tissue paper. If you cut that out and fold it or pin it or draw around it, it will get used up very, very quickly. If you do it like this, you can pin it to your fabric over and over and over again, and if this gets used up, you make a new one. The other thing is your patterns hold their value, well, not what they're asking for retail right now, but your patterns are not only more valuable to you in time, but if you decided to sell them on eBay, it's an uncut pattern, which I'm always leery to buy a cut pattern because you don't know if all the pieces are there. Anyway, back to who did the collab. Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Polly, Tina Reborns and More. And by the way, Tina sews by hand, and she's been doing these collabs by hand. Beautiful work. Tina's also a beginner sewer, which is a big deal because this is a big project. Lorraine from Serenata. Always Dolls, they are in Australia, and we're hoping it gets there to them quickly so that they can get their project made. And it's a stroke of life with Melissa. Each one is going to make this same pattern. We went with B, which is odd that B's on this side and A's on that side, but nonetheless. And it's just this top with the little heart pocket. Mine's functional. And bloomers. And here's what I made, and I did not tie her bandana down yet because I wanted to show you that I took cheap ribbon. This is 47 cents for, I think it's 3 yards at Walmart, and I took that around my bandana. At the corner, I just folded it over and kept going. Put that on there and on the little top. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but I also put it on the bloomers at the bottom. It was a little different pink, so I thought, why not? She likes to play barefoot, but she also likes her mermaid shoes to go with her mermaid print. So here she is with her little outfit and her little functioning pocket. And I also took a thinner piece of the same color ribbon and put a little bow on that heart-shaped pocket. This is a little wide for me around the waist, but I went by the pattern. And in the back, I used Velcro. Let's see if I can show it. I used Velcro, not all the way down, but pretty much of the way down. I love this print. It was a fabric I had found in Walmart on clearance. I always go to the clearance item aisle, and a lot of times they have fabric and ribbons and that sort of stuff. I always grab them. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please go to each of the other channels. Again, I say Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Polly, Tina's Reborns and More, Serenata, Always Dolls, and It's a Stroke of Life, Melissa. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.